human aging has a clear tipping point. Around age 75, study finds recent research confirms that the human body reaches a critical threshold around age 75, after which recovery from illness or injury becomes significantly harder, and the risk of decline rises sharply. This tipping point marks the end of a period where the body can effectively balance damage and repair, leading to a faster accumulation of health deficits and an increased mortality risk. The breakdown of resilience researchers at Dalhousie University used a mathematical model built on real-world health data from over 12,900 individuals to identify this turning point. Their analysis reveals that while aging involves periods of accelerated decline, the ability to bounce back from setbacks remains relatively stable until approximately age 75. Beyond that, the body's resilience weakens, and even minor health events can trigger a downward spiral. This finding is significant because it highlights the importance of proactive healthcare as people approach this age. It's not simply about extending the period of decline, but rather maximizing health before the tipping point is reached. How the study was conducted: the team analyzed data from the University of Michigan Health and Retirement Study and the English Longitudinal Study of Aging, tracking over 65,000 medical visits for participants with a median age of 67. They used the Frailty Index, a tool doctors already use to predict health outcomes to quantify each person's overall health. The model assessed both the frequency of adverse health events, like illness or injury, and the time it took for participants to recover. The results showed that, on average, the tipping point falls between ages 73 and 76. After this point, the rate of health setbacks outpaces the body's ability to recover, resulting in a rapid increase in frailty and mortality risk. Why this matters? A changing view of aging. This research builds on a growing body of evidence suggesting aging isn't a linear process. Earlier studies have shown that the human body experiences accelerated aging at around ages 44 and 60, and that organ aging itself accelerates around age 50. The new findings provide further context. Frailty isn't inevitable, but it is linked to a specific biological threshold. The study suggests that interventions to reduce stressors and improve baseline health before age 75 could delay or mitigate the effects of this tipping point. This includes managing chronic diseases, maintaining physical activity, and addressing other risk factors. Crossing the tipping point dramatically increases risk for an accumulation of health deficits if stressors are not reduced, the researchers write. Ultimately, understanding this biological reality allows for more targeted healthcare planning, potentially leading to longer, healthier lives.